Experience painful gout? A 3-day cure for sure. What is gout? How to prevent getting gout and what to do to clear gout within days. Gout develops when your body becomes too acidic and uric crystals form in your joints. The area becomes red, swollen, and very painful. To remove gout surgically is a very painful process, and you want to avoid this at all costs. To prevent gout forming, we need to manage what we eat, and we need to lower the intake of acidic foods. So therefore stay away from foods such as red meat, processed meat, carbonated or fizzy drinks, sweets and candy, alcoholic drinks, and white flour products, for example white bread. To clear gout quick, easy and cheap, increase your intake of alkaline foods such as broccoli, spinach, kale, pineapple, cucumber, celery, and many more. If you want to clear your gout within 3 days, go and get the following: 1 pineapple, 1 cucumber, 1 bunch of celery, and 3 lemons. Method. Step 1. Wash the cucumber, celery and pineapple and chop it fine. Step 2. Place in a mixer blender with half a cup of water and blend. Step 3. Divide the mixture into 9 helpings and freeze. Drink the mixture now 3 times a day over 3 days. What do you do with the 3 lemons? Well, you're going to make lemon juice and drink that in between meals. Enjoy your healthy drink and experience relief from gout. For more short videos with advice for you, you are welcome to subscribe to Science Lady. Bye for now.